The financial world is often described as a complex engine, but at its heart, it's driven by one core concept: ownership. The stock market is essentially a global marketplace where investors come together to buy and sell ownership in publicly traded companies. When a company wants to grow, to build new factories, or develop new technology, it issues portions of itself to the public. By purchasing these portions, you are essentially providing capital in exchange for a stake in that company's future success. Defining the terms, stocks versus shares. In common conversation, you might hear the terms stocks and shares used interchangeably, but there is a distinct technical difference between the two. According to the sources, the difference lies in the diversity of your holdings. If you say you own 10 stocks, you are indicating that you have investments in 10 different companies. However, if you say you own 10 shares, you are referring to 10 specific units of ownership within a single company. To put it simply, stock is the general term for the certificates of any company, while shares refer to the specific amount of that stock you own in one particular entity. Stocks versus cryptocurrency. Please note, the following information regarding cryptocurrency is not contained in the provided sources and should be independently verified. As we look at the modern landscape, many investors ask, how does this traditional ownership compare to cryptocurrency? While both are digital assets in most modern portfolios, they are fundamentally different. Stocks represent equity. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of a business that has assets, employees, and revenue. You are betting on the company's ability to generate profit. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, typically operating on decentralized networks called blockchains. Unlike stocks, most cryptocurrencies do not represent ownership in a corporation. Their value is often driven by supply, demand, utility within a tech ecosystem, or its perceived value as a digital gold. While the stock market is regulated by bodies like the SEC to protect investors, the crypto market is often more volatile and currently operates with different levels of oversight. Conclusion. Whether you are building a portfolio of diverse stocks or exploring the frontier of crypto, understanding these definitions is your first step toward financial literacy. Ownership is the key to building long-term wealth. Start small, stay informed, and invest in your future.